Shenzhen Hequanqingnuo Electronic Technology Company Limited, founded in 2014, located in Shenzhen, China. Focus on producing mobile phone battery and provide battery solution to customer. With several years development, we have ourselves research and development, designer, QC, and production ability in mobile phone battery field. Supply OEM, ODM service to our customer. Our advanced automatic production equipment. It can ensure stable production capability and control system. From raw material to final products, we have strict control system. Guarantee stable goods to customer. The products we produce durable, safety, long-lasting, and environment-friendly. All products with CE, FCC, RoHS fully meet the electricity demands of mobile phone users. When leaving the factory, the products are strictly packed and delivery. Our company has cooperated with many clients, both from domestic and overseas, and has obtained consistently praise from our customers since it was set up. The company holds the managerial idea that quality proves strength, details reach to success, and tries its effort to do well at any aspect, from raw material, production, testing to final inspection, packing and shipment. We insist on the principle of development of keep promise, focus on what you do, respect the truth, create something new to provide you with qualified products and service. We sincerely welcome you to visit our company or contact us for cooperation.
Hequanqingnuo is a professional mobile phone battery manufacturer. We can supply OEM and ODM service. Please feel free to contact us.
Welcome to visit us.